are 3 digital products that you can create today, even if you have zero designing skills, and people are buying them every day. Yes, I meant it, people are buying them every day. In this video, I'm going to show you what digital products that you can create as a beginner, and they are simple to create. Even some of them, they are blank, that you don't have to fill in anything. You just create them in this app I'm going to show you, and you can start making money. The first product that you can create as a beginner are checklists. Yes, you might be wondering what is a checklist. As you can see here on Etsy, this checklist is over in 20 people's carts, and people are buying it, and it's a bestseller. And what surprises me, it's blank, nothing is inside, no word, nothing. It's just simple lines like this, and people are buying it like crazy. And anybody who buys it, it's them who is going to fill in whatever they want. See how it looks like. It's so simple and easy. As you can see, simple checklists, nothing inside. You just create it like this, and people are going to buy it. Yes, and if you're wondering how can I create this, there are simple apps like Canva that you can use to create this. When you come to Canva, to join Canva, you can sign up using an email address and a password. It's free. Yes, so when you come to Canva, they have different options of checklists, but I would advise you to design your own starting from scratch. You can come here and click on create blank page, then you design. But as you can see, there are a lot of different checklists that you can create. You can create a travel checklist, as you can see here in Canva. You can create a travel checklist. You can create a checklist for shopping, a checklist for food. So the sky is the limit, and you can jump on that as a beginner. I don't need any designing skill to do that. Yes, as long as you know what you are going to create and people buy it. As this example I've shown you, this is a blank checklist. Just a person organized these lines together very well, and people are buying it because they want to fill in what they want to use this checklist for by themselves. So you can create even a blank checklist and people will buy them. Yes, you can create them like that, simple and easy. Or you can go down, specify and niche it down, maybe to a travel checklist, a checklist for nurses in the hospital, a checklist for teachers at school. So it will depend on you. Or it can be a checklist for parents at home, a checklist for single mothers. So it will depend on you which niche that you want to create this checklist for. Yes, so I'm going to take you to our next digital product that you can create as a beginner. And if you want me to show you how to create this step by step, how you can start creating it from scratch, you can put it in the comment section below. Then the next digital product that you can create, digital product number 2, is templates. You can create Canva templates, and the good thing about these ones, you can price them higher. When it comes to checklist, it's better you be careful on how you're going to price. Yes, because there is a lot of competition, and you don't want to price it so higher or so low. So you check and see what other people are selling according to the platform that you are selling from. Or you can ask AI like ChatGPT to help you know how you can price your product. Yes, for example, it will depend. Maybe if you are selling on Etsy, you can use different prices. You are selling on Grammarly, you can use different prices. So another little product that you can create and sell as a beginner, they are Canva templates, and they are easy to create. And why they are Canva templates? Because most people are familiar with Canva, and it's easy for them to edit these templates if they buy them. So as you can see here, they have also put the Canva logo to show a person who is buying them that this is from Canva templates. So you can just click here. You see as this looks like. So you can just click here, come in Canva, and create your Canva templates that you want to create. They can be about health, they can be for coaches, so it will depend on you. And when you choose niches like coaching, because remember, those people who are coaching, they are teaching people how to make money, they are teaching people how to grow their businesses, then this is going to give you a higher price point. For example, This one is almost $100 for each product any person buys, and you can see it's already in 19 people cards. People are buying it. It doesn't matter how much money you are pricing it, as long as it's providing value. And when you tap into niches like this, where you are targeting business people like coaches, business people like those ones who are influencers who want to grow their social media platforms, then you can price higher, because those people, they know when they buy the product from you, it's going to help them gain more money from their customers and clients. So it will be easier for you. Just concentrate on providing value, providing a good product. Yes, because if you create a bad product and you price it higher, people will not buy it, and it will be ruining your brand. So it's better you create a good product. So you can create these Canva templates, you can create them many and bundle them, or it can depend on the ones that you can create. If you want to bundle, you can create maybe like 50 of them, 100 of them. You don't have to create like this one, which is 2,000, if you don't have that capacity. Yes. So you can go ahead and create this. And if you want my list of 20 digital products that you can create in this year, 2025 2026, I will leave it down in the description below. So don't forget to check it out if you want to know what are the best selling digital products that you can start to create as a beginner. So you can go ahead and create these Canva templates, and this is going to bring us to our digital product number 3 that you can create and start making money right away. And those are printable planners. Yes, and there are so many printable planners you can create. So as you will see, we are rounding up 2025, we are going into 2026. People are already buying planners so that they can plan their year ahead. So as you can see, this is in 20 people's cards, and people are buying it really well and really good, because it's a planner. People always like to plan, and it's not all about end of year planning. People want always to plan. You can create a planner for a wedding, you can create a planner for cooking, you can create a planner for school teachers, you can create a planner for people who want to do self-care, you can create a planner for patients. Yes, a planner for people maybe who are having sicknesses like diabetes, and they need to plan how to eat healthy, how to drink their medicine. And all these planners, you can still create all of them in Canva. All the products that I've talked about, you can create them in Canva, and I've done so many videos on this channel showing you how you can create these products here in Canva. Yes, so this is how you can make money as a beginner creating these simple digital products. And planners, they are also easy to make. You can create them using Canva. Yes, and if you're wondering where can I sell my planners, you can sell your planners first on Etsy if you want. Yes, you can sell on Etsy, and there are also other platforms that you can sell your planners. It's not only Etsy. You can also, if you don't want to use Etsy, you can sell them here on Payhip. Yes, you can sign up here, get started for free, and start selling your digital products. So you can choose if you want Etsy or if you want Payhip. So it will depend on you. So I'm showing you the platforms where you can sell your digital products. So also here you can sell your digital products on Grammarly if that's what you want. So you can choose from Grammarly, you can choose Etsy, you can choose Payhip, and you can put your products there and people will buy. And it doesn't stop there. It doesn't mean that if you create a good product and you upload it on any platform you want to sell it, that the product will drive sales automatically. No, you have to go in and put in the work to market your products. And the good platforms that I would recommend is YouTube, because YouTube always has long-term audiences, and Pinterest. Yes, so you can come here on Pinterest, post your digital products. For example, as you can see this video pin, they posted their product here 5 months ago, and it's really getting a lot of views. I have this browser that shows me which products are really selling well on Pinterest. So as you can see, this pin has gotten 3,000 plus likes, it has gotten this much reactions, it has been saved 1,000. It's almost going to 2,000, and it was created 5 months ago. So you can go ahead, create your product, put it into a video showing people how you can use it. And the good thing about this method, you can use that same product that you have created a video for, use that same video, upload it on YouTube as a YouTube short, or you can go ahead and upload it on TikTok if you want, or any other platform that you want. So this is how the video looks like. You can do it in form of a video, or you can just create just a pin talking about your product, how it looks like and how people are going to use it, and that one will help your product to reach people out there, and so that your product can be seen and it can be visible. And that's how you're going to make sales for your product. Yes, that's how you're going to make sales for your product. And if this video has helped you, don't forget to like, to comment, to share, and to subscribe. See you in the next video.